Today I'm making a cookie recipe that you can use many different ways. So first of all, and you can double or triple or whatever you like for this cookie recipe. I have half a cup of margarine. And to that I'm adding 1/4 cup of icing sugar. And I have my beaters here, and I'm just going to mix that up. To that I'm adding 1 cup of flour. And I have 1/4 cup of ground hazelnuts. You can use any nut that you prefer. And I'm just going to mix that up. The dough is mixed up, and I'm just going to put it in the fridge for a few minutes, probably about 15 minutes. I'm going to preheat the oven at 325 degrees. Well, the dough has chilled, so now I'm going to shape it. First I'm going to take some shape it into little logs. And I'm going to shape some into balls. And these ones, I'm going to put a chocolate wafer in them and wrap that around. Oops. Okay. Next, I'm going to take some, make the ball, roll it in some more ground nuts. Then I'm going to flatten this one and make an indentation in the middle. Roll that in the nuts. There we go. I'm just going to do a couple of plain ones here. I'm just going to continue shaping these. So the cookies are ready for the oven, and the oven is heated. So I'm going to start baking them. I will check them after 15 minutes. The first tray is done. I only made a few cookies of each type. So these ones that don't have the chocolate in, I'm just going to roll them in some icing sugar while they're still warm. The other pan is in the oven. And those ones are done. I have melted some chocolate, and the little logs, I'm just going to dip the ends in the melted chocolate. And I'm going to continue doing them. If you wanted to, you could then dip the ends in some nuts if you prefer, or some coconut. The rest of the cookies are done. So the ones that have chocolate in the center, I've just made a mixture here of icing sugar and cocoa. So I'm just going to roll them in that. For the thumbprint cookies, I'm just going to put a little bit of jam in 3 of them. And the other 3, this is my homemade clementine marmalade. Sometime I will do a marmalade recipe. There are so many variations with this cookie recipe. You can even make it without nuts. Just add a little bit more flour. And you can just put fillings in it, or roll them in different things, or dip them in chocolate, roll them in coconut. So many different things, but these are just a few ideas. One cookie recipe, 4 different ways.